Hello, tech students. Welcome to our, I don't know which number video it is going to be for you. We're going to be having a bunch of videos. Uh, Today, I want you to talk about Google Meets for students because that's the main tool that you are going to be using for office hours with your teacher. So, what's Google Meets? Have you ever used it? Have you ever heard about it? So, Google Meets is an online conferencing application that integrates with Google Suite. So it doesn't matter if what kind of device you have. You can use it again, your cell phone. You can use a tablet, or you can use your computers. It needs to have a webcam and it needs to have a microphone. Most laptops already come on top of here on the screen. Most of it has a webcam and a microphone integrated. And cell phones and tablets, you don't have problem with it. So it's going to be or must to use for our office hours, and not only for me, but with all of your teachers. So that way we can see each other and talk real time. Okay, but whoa, how do I use it? I mean, this is kind of new for most of us. There are let me move this. Okay, there are easy 4 steps. Okay, first one, you obviously need to be signed in with your cat account. Remember, it's your number at cat.mx. Do not forget to write the cat.mx. It's really important, okay? If you have a Chromebook, that's different. If you don't, you have to write the at cat.mx. Okay, second, you can check your calendar or your email for your notifications. We teachers are going to be sending them to you and you will get them. Okay, I will show you in a moment how it looks like. And three, the third step will be click on the Hangout icon invitation and click where it says join meeting. And that's the first step, join the meeting. So but before we go that, I want to talk about our agreements. Okay, so how is our virtual learning agreements? Okay, remember I already sent this image through Classroom, but I want you to go through it together. Okay, so I'm moving this again. Okay, so just these are tips for you to use. The first one will be this one. Okay, find a quiet learning space where you can sit up and listen. This is really important because we're going to be one on one or probably the whole class together. I don't know, or several people at the same time. So we have to be in a non place, a place with no distractions. Also, if you can get headphones, you don't need a microphone, but headphones will be better because it makes you listen more closely. Also, when before you join, you have to turn your video and microphone off before you join. That way, we can avoid background noises that we don't want. Okay. Two other tips: have pen and paper ready to write notes or suggestions. Also use the chat to alert where there is a problem in the video or in the microphone, or you have a question there. I would rather you write it than say it. Okay? If you have sound problems because your microphone is going to be off, just touch your ears if or let me know in the chat. You can write miss, I cannot hear, and we can figure it out. And remember, your microphone is to talk and it has to be off when you're done. So if you have a question, you can ask me. Just let me know so I can you can turn on the microphone, ask your question, and then turn off the microphone again. Okay, but Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so I have, if you notice on my screen, wait, give me a minute. Okay, if you notice on my screen, I have here different tools. The inbox on my email, a calendar, and my classroom. So if I click on my inbox, it's going to show, um, sorry, here. Okay, it says I just got a meeting from Miss Nadia. It says happening now. Patricia Martinez Renteria is inviting you. If I open it, it says is inviting you to join a video meeting. Okay, right now no one else is on the call because we already have it. So you can click on join the meeting and it's going to open this page. It says camera starting, so you see both, one up here, one down here. And here is where you're going to turn off your microphone. And if you wish, you can turn off your webcam. I will suggest leaving the webcam on, but the microphone off. And then you can click on join. Okay? Another way that you are probably going to get in the email, maybe not like this, but let me find. Okay, this is an invitation. This is how your emails are going to look like. Okay, it's going to show you when, it's going to show you the name of the meeting. You can view it in the Google Calendar, who is going to be attending, from what time to what time. You have to click yes if you are joining, so that is added to your calendar. And where is it going to happen? Okay, what's going to happen in the agenda? You're going to be having this, and this is where you need to click. It says join Hangouts Meet, and you will have to click in this link that is here. Okay, who's attending? You will see a bunch of names here. Probably the list may or not may be long, but these were the people who were trying it this moment morning, sorry. And it's asking you to confirm if you're going or maybe or no. Okay, if you have troubles with the meeting, you can click here more options and propose to me a new time. I might or may not be available, so that's why I'm doing 3 different days. Tuesdays with one groups, Wednesday for with other groups, and Fridays if you could not make it to any of those. Unfortunately, I am not able to meet with you on Mondays and Thursdays because I will be doing office hours with the teachers to help them figure it out technological problems that they may have. Okay, so the second option is here in the calendar. As you know, my calendar is so full right now for the next 2 weeks. And you can see even more here. So this is how we are going to be. We have been working. So in your calendar, let's say I'm planning to do this. And if you click on here in your calendar, it's going to say join again, join Hangouts Meet. Okay, and if you click on that, again, it's going to open you the Meet. And it's going to show you here. In your classes, in your calendars from the classes, if you go to inside your class and you go to your calendar, it's going to show your calendar for your classes and it's going to be there, the invitation, okay? So, sorry, this is a little long video, but we have to do a lot of it. Okay, so let's say here, this one, I'm meeting with 4A and 4C. For example, we can say who you will be able to see who's already there. And again, remember, you have to turn off the microphone and then click on join. And you're going to be able to see the screen. Okay, so On top of here, you are going to be able to see you, and if we have other people here, you will be able to hear to see who's connected. Make sure that that icon is shown. Um, this icon. It means that your microphone is off. Please, we don't want to have extra noises on the background. And here the chat is where I want you to write the messages. Hi, Miss, I have a question. Okay? And basically, that's how Meet works. So if we have questions or you still don't understand something, just make sure to contact me. And thank you guys. Miss you lots. Remember, here's my email. And whatever you need, I'm going to be here for you. Bye.